Hey, y'all, Boski. Ew, listen to me. Uh, yeah, the whole Christ. Look, y'all these hoes thrown off and don't know it. Look, they throw the fuck off. They throw the fuck off. They fuck the nastiest, ugliest man on Instagram for clout. The ugliest man for some goddamn clout. And then Boski ain't never but a trick hoe. He a Instagram prostitute. Then Boski is for the street. He for everybody. And then Boski, he be raw dogging these homeless women. And then he be fucking men in the butt. He take his dick out and put it in these whole pussy. Boski had his dick in the man butt. He took it out and put it in that pussy. And that for clout. Listen to me. Listen to me. Yeah. You gonna come over my house, man. Insult my wife. Yeah, basket. How much you give me, basket? You want me to fuck your G-Monster homeboy? Yeah. I want you to eat pilot like the pussy. Okay, basket. How much you give me, basket? And do you got something to drink, something to smoke, basket? Yeah. Listen to me.